Right then, we're here at the main feeding area to see how we keep our magnificent brown bears healthy with their specialised diet. Right, that's number 3 sorted. Coming down the line now, careful with the big chap.
For generations, we've maintained the highest standards of British manufacturing. As you can see, our dedicated team continues that legacy today.
We spare no expense on their diet. This premium meat costs us upwards of £10,000 a week, ensuring they are in peak condition before processing.
All right, easy now. Keep it centered on the ramp.
Pushing hard, boss. It's moving.
Nearly clear of the jack.
Right, pins are in.
How's that strap feel?
Yeah, she's not going anywhere now.
This one's vitals are stable, but the hibernation markers are slightly elevated.
Right. Keep monitoring the glucose levels closely.
All right there, settle down.
We need to keep the flow consistent through checkpoint 4, mind the large one on the left. The subcutaneous fat levels are optimal.
Agreed. No anomalies detected on the cardiac scan.
This one is good quality, send it to the main wash.
Right, this cart is full, ready for collection.
The cycle time looks good, temperature is stable.
Right, I've logged it.
The absorption rate is slowing down. We should check the chemical balance.
Agreed. Let's increase the agitation slightly and monitor the panel.
That should do it for this batch.
Hold on, check that one there. Still looks a bit murky.
The texture seems right on this batch, Barry.
Aye, clean as well. Send it through.
The pressure gauge is rising faster than expected. Right, I'll throttle back the intake valve slightly. This one's fully dry and structurally sound.
Noted. The blonde batch looks good too. Right, that one's sound.
300 square feet logged. Keep the feed steady, lads. Watch the pressure on that last one.
Okay, lift on 3, ready? Yep, got it. Let's move it over there.
The compression rate looks spot on.
Aye, the finish is excellent. We can increase the speed now.
This piece here,
Reckon we can save it.
yay, stick it in the salvage pile. Good shout.
That's a clean impression. The depth is spot on.
Hey, perfect finish. It's still a bit rough on the edge here.
Right, I'll adjust the pressure. How's that?
Much better. That's spot on.
Steady through the bath. We need full saturation for the conditioning.
Understood. It's looking good and supple.
This batch looks perfect, Sarah. Ready for packaging.
That's the last hide for this pallet.
Right, let the arm clear it. We are ahead of schedule.
The registration is spot on, good.
Excellent. The ink flow is steady too.
The thickness is holding steady at 2.2 millimeters.
Excellent. That meets the quality standard.
The brushes are running perfectly now. The finish looks spot on.
Yes, incredibly smooth. This batch is ready for crafting.
The laser highlights any surface defects or grain irregularities. Only the best pieces pass this strict quality check.
A bit higher on the left, please. That's the spot.
Got it?
Right, I'll just mark that down. A bit higher on the left, please. That's the spot.
Got it?
Right, I'll just mark that down.
That looks spot on. The detail is superb.
Yes, the gold thread really contrasts well with the leather.
Careful with that spine, Ditty.
Nearly finished this batch. Reckon we'll hit the target by lunch.
We source only the finest bear hides. Notice the rich texture on this weekender bag and the meticulous stitching on every single one of our wallets.